live?
Live.
This is my new car, 2001 Jaguar XJR. Pretty sweet looking car, black on black, stock wheels. That is one fucking sick car, right? So, the interior. Couldn't be any more luxurious. You know, you got the wood steering wheel. I already put in a new Alpine stereo and a Sirius radio also. And I put in new front JL components, and I'm going to put in a couple 12s probably in the next year so in the trunk. And then look at the back. I mean, you got rear heated seats. It's got all the amenities. And I'm getting a new custom license plate that's going to say Black Cat, BLCAT. That'll be sweet. There's the car from the side. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. So you're probably wondering, alright, well, this looks like kind of like a luxury car. It's probably not that fast. It looks really heavy. Well, it is a heavy car, but that means it's more sturdy on the road at high speeds. What did they put in this thing? Well, it has a 4-liter V8, and then since this is the R model, the racing model, it's supercharged. So the 4-liter V8 by itself makes 300 horsepower. The supercharger adds an extra 70, making this car total at 370 horsepower, which means
Pretty hot.
it's pretty fast.
Sexy.
Very, very fast. So that's it. 2001 Jag XJR. What's that?
Can't see anything in the back seat, man, from outside. Feel me?
Gretch. Always a horn dog, Gretch.